All right, Money Makers, we're back again here. So you can um, pretty much sell digital files through private links with Stash. So basically, you upload to the app, you upload any photos, any digital files, PDF files, Word documents, whatever you name it, and then you get paid for how many things that someone maybe buys through your links to actually start getting paid from it. So you can see somebody made $2,150 probably in a month by selling their private link digital files through their private links. So it does actually pay. I had a friend that did this, and they made over 4 grand in a month. So I know this is legit and I trust him. Well, I may not have done this myself. I trust my friend because he has made a lot of money, probably even more than I have online. So these are legitimate ways. And then you can just look through here to see some of the common questions that they might have asked. So I'll let you go through and take a look at that. But that's all I have for you guys today. And you take care. Bye.